Hello! Today we'll take a look at the KS6000 IHS-CO generator, well known for its reliability and flexibility. This dual-fuel inverter generator from the German brand Könner Söhnen has earned the trust of consumers in over 20 European countries. Thanks to the authentic KNS engine, the KS6000 IHS-CO inverter generator ensures stable working process and impresses with the power. It has a starting power of 5,500 watts and a running power of 5,000 watts. Why should you choose the KS6000 IHS-CO? Perfect solution. Ensures backing power and operate your household appliances and power tools. Flexibility from outdoor travel to mobile commercial. This generator can handle it all. Cost-effective. It runs on both gasoline and gas, allowing you to save up to 50% of fuel thanks to the economic operating mode. It is convenient and safe, with electric start, a multifunctional LED display, and a CO sensor. The advantages of the dual-fuel inverter generator KS6000 IHS-CO. Pure sine wave. Provides a stable working process for sensitive equipment with a stable voltage of 120 volts and 60 Hz in pure sine wave form. Dual fuel. It works on both gasoline and liquefied gas. Propane. Reliable engine. Powerful KNS branded engine for prolonged and stable operation. Safety features include the overload protection, a short circuit protection, and other protective functions. It's portable, a compact dimensions, and a transport kit for any transportation anywhere. Produced under the control of German engineers with all the necessary quality certificates. This generator guarantees reliability and safety. The generator comes with all the necessary accessories, including a hose with a regulator for connection to a gas cylinder. Don't let a lack of electricity be a concern. Purchase the KS6000 IHS-CO generator, your own source of backup power from Könner Söhnen.